Welcome to the top best. The best ukulele kit is probably one of the most rewarding DIY projects you can undertake, offering a unique opportunity to craft your own musical instrument from scratch and experience the satisfaction of playing a uke you built with your own hands, making it a perfect blend of hobby and musical exploration for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Number 5. Donner DUC 123-inch Mahogany Concert Ukulele Kit. Experience the joy of music with this beautifully crafted mahogany ukulele. Its smooth finish and quality details ensure a comfortable playing experience and lasting durability. Enjoy a richer, brighter, and warmer sound thanks to its mahogany body and neck. Combined with high-quality strings, it delivers clear resonance and extended sustain. This complete bundle includes everything a beginner needs to get started, from the ukulele itself to essential accessories like a gig bag, tuner, and extra strings. Unlock your musical potential with free online video lessons designed for beginners. It's never been easier to start your musical journey. Effortlessly keep your instrument in tune with its precision-engineered, guitar-style tuners. Easy-to-read fret markers help you navigate the fingerboard with confidence. Surprise a loved one with the gift of music. This ukulele kit makes a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? This ukulele offers a beautiful, warm tone thanks to its mahogany construction. It comes with everything a beginner needs to get started, including lessons. If you are looking for a well-made instrument that sounds great right out of the box, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary parts for building a ukulele. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, making the assembly process straightforward. The finished ukulele produces a surprisingly good sound for a DIY kit. Number 4. DIY Ukulele Kit, Soprano Hawaii. Unleash your creativity with this unfinished wood kit. Its basswood body provides a smooth surface, ready for your personal touch of paint or stain. Worried about putting it together? Don't be. We've included installation tools to make the assembly process straightforward and enjoyable. This is a wonderful activity for parents and children to enjoy together. It's a great way to connect and foster closer relationships. This DIY kit is a fantastic introduction to the world of ukuleles. You'll gain insight into how these instruments are constructed. Craft your very own custom Hawaiian guitar. Create a truly special and handmade ukulele, perfect for gifting to loved ones. This kit is designed for individuals aged 14 and older, offering a rewarding crafting experience. What we like? This kit provides a blank canvas for your creativity, allowing you to design and paint your own unique ukulele. It's designed for easy assembly, making it a perfect project for friends and family to build together. If you enjoy hands-on crafting and want a truly personalized instrument, this DIY kit is ideal. What people say. The ukulele kit is a fun and educational project for beginners. All the necessary parts and tools are included in the kit, making it easy to assemble. The finished ukulele has a surprisingly good sound quality for a DIY instrument. Number 3. Ktaxon DIY Electric Guitar Kit. Introducing the Ktaxon DIY Electric Guitar Kit. It's designed for easy installation, allowing you to build your own unique instrument. This guitar features a striking flame-shaped body and an eye-catching ebony fretboard with shell inlay. It's sure to stand out. Crafted with a mahogany body and maple neck, it provides an excellent environment for sound transfer. The chrome hardware adds a touch of elegance. The kit comes pre-sanded and drilled, with no welding required, making assembly simple. Detailed instructions and an assembly video are included. With a deeply polished, unfinished surface, you have the freedom to paint, stain, or varnish it to your heart's content. It's a perfect gift to inspire creativity. This kit includes all the necessary parts for assembly. You won't need to purchase anything extra to build your guitar. What we like? This electric guitar kit boasts a striking flame design and is crafted from quality mahogany and maple for superior sound. It's pre-sanded and requires no welding, simplifying the building process. If you're a music lover who wants to build a visually stunning and great-sounding electric guitar, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The ukulele kit is a great way to learn about building an instrument. All the parts were included and fit together well. The finished ukulele sounds surprisingly good for a DIY kit. Number 2. Donner 21-inch Soprano Ukulele Starter Bundle Kit. This beginner-friendly kit includes everything you need to start learning the ukulele. It comes with the instrument, a bag, tuner, extra strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth, perfect for any skill level. Enjoy a warm and rich sound thanks to its mahogany construction. The high-quality nut, saddle, and smooth nylon strings produce clear resonance and impressive sustain. Choose from 6 unique colors in our Rainbow series to express your style. Each instrument is carefully finished for comfortable playability and lasting durability, making it a wonderful gift. Keeping it in tune is simple with our patented chrome-plated tuners and a digital clip-on tuner. Fret position marks are also included for easy navigation. Master the ukulele faster with our complimentary web-based video lessons designed for beginners. This bundle is ideal for adults, novices, and even professionals. What we like. This soprano ukulele is specifically designed for beginners, offering a warm and full sound from its mahogany body. It comes in a variety of colors to match your style and includes all essential accessories and free online lessons. If you're just starting out and want a fun, colorful, and easy-to-learn instrument, this is a great pick. What people say. The ukulele kit comes with all the necessary parts and tools for assembly. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, making the building process straightforward. The finished ukulele produces a surprisingly good sound for a DIY kit. Number 1. DIY Ukulele Kit, 21-inch Soprano Ukulele. Unleash your creativity with this all-inclusive kit. It provides everything you need to build your very own instrument from scratch. Our kit is designed for simplicity, including clear instructions to guide you through the assembly process. It's perfect for beginners looking to try something new. Make it uniquely yours. You can customize its appearance with your own designs, paint it, or leave it with its natural wood finish. Looking for a fun and engaging activity? This is a wonderful gift for friends, family, or even large groups, suitable for all ages. Embark on a rewarding project that results in a playable instrument. It's a fantastic way to spend your time and a great gift to give. This comprehensive kit includes all 33 pieces necessary for assembly. Start your DIY project today and enjoy the satisfaction of building your own ukulele. What we like. This kit provides all the necessary parts and is pre-sanded and drilled for straightforward assembly, making it perfect for beginners. You can customize its appearance to create a truly unique instrument. If you're looking for a fun, engaging project that results in a playable, personalized ukulele, this kit is a wonderful choice. What people say. The ukulele kit is a great way to learn about building an instrument. All the parts were included and fit together well. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the building process enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.